how to install custom indicators and templates into Metatrader 4. Hi, this is William and I want to show you in this video how to install custom indicators and templates into your MT4 terminal. And in this example, I'm going to use the One Forex system to show you how it's done. So right now you're looking at the download page of the One Forex system. And go ahead and click download. Once you've clicked download, a new window will open and please go ahead and download all the files. When you have downloaded all the files, this should be the files you see. And I want you to go ahead and copy and paste the oneforexsystem.ex4 file and the oneforexsystem.tpl file. Go ahead and copy and then go back to your MT4 terminal. So now back on your MT4 trading terminal, I would like you to find the file under the navigation menu. Click on Open Data folder. After you click on Open Data folder, copy and paste the two files into the templates folder, and under the MQL4 folder, copy and paste the two files into the indicators folder. And that's it. When you have done that, I'd like you to go and close your Explorer and restart your MT4. Once you have restarted your MT4, click on this templates icon. And when you have clicked on this templates icon, load the One Forex system template. And there you go. When you have loaded the One Forex template, this is what you should see. And if you see this, well, you got it working. Shorter time frames have proven to be less reliable. I personally like to use H4 time frames, and I recommend you looking at H4, if not at the very most. So please look at your strategy guide, understand the strategy, understand the take profit strategy and the exit strategy. Practice on a demo account before going live. So with this is William, and I wish you well on your trading journey.